Struggling to find squares of numbers ending with 4 or 6? Here's a trick that makes it super easy. No formulas, just simple tricks. Okay, hi, this is Harismita. Today, we'll be saying numbers ending with 6 and numbers ending with 4. So let's get into the video. Wait. Before getting into the video, kindly check part 1, part 2 of it to get clear understanding of part 3. Yeah, now let's get into the video. So, if your number is ending with 6, say, let us have a number 36 square. So, I'm finding squares of the number, right? So, 36 is a number which is ending with 6. So, 36 square, right? So, 36 square, how are we going to find it? First, just take the predecessor of the number. So, what is the predecessor of 36? So, 36 is your number. So, predecessor of it is 35, right? Now, what am I? Step 1. Step 1, I have to take square of its predecessor. So, step 1, what am I supposed to do? I have to take 35 square. What is 35 square? To find squares of number ending with 5 easily, I have taken the whole video of it in part 2. Kindly check part 2 for finding numbers ending with 5. For finding squares of numbers ending with 5. So, 35 square is nothing but 25. 3 into 4 is 12. So, it is 125. Yeah, it's confusing, right? Please check part 2 for this. So, this is a part 3 video. And next step, step 2, what am I going to do? Step 2, basically, I have to add the predecessor and the number itself. So, I'm just adding 35 plus 36. So, which is nothing but 71. So, when I add it, what am I getting? The final answer, which is 1296. The final answer of 36 square is 1296. So, kindly check the answer through normal multiplication method. So, for 36, you might see it is a really difficult process, but for higher numbers, trust me, this will help you. Okay. So, now let us solve more sums, right? So, now let us check 86 square, right? So, 86 square is, so what am I supposed to do? What is the predecessor of it? Predecessor is nothing but 85 square. Predecessor is 85. I have to take the square of it. So, basically, which is 85 square and squaring numbers ending with 5, you know it, which is 25 and 8 into 9 is 72. So, this is your number ending with it, right? So, 8 9s are 72. So, this will be your number. Now, what am I supposed to do? Next, I have to add the predecessor and the number itself. So, 85 plus 86. What am I getting? 85 plus 86, I'll be getting 171. So, the final answer is 6937. So, this is your 86 squares answer. So, basically, you're adding it. I'm just clearly mentioning you have to add these. I'll just let you know why I'm clearly mentioning you have to add these. Because when you come to the next part of the video, the future part, you will know why I'm clearly saying it. So, now next, let us try one more example of double digit number, which is 56 square. So, for 56 square, again, what is the process? I have to take the predecessor square, which is 55 square, which is 25, 5 6 are 30. So, this will be your answer. And I have to add the predecessor and the exact answer. So, which is exact number, 55 plus 56, which is 1 and which is 111. I'm going to add it. So, I'm getting 3136. So, 3136 is your answer of 56 square. So, if you have any doubts in it, kindly check it through exact multiplication method. You'll get the exact answer what I'm telling. Now, let us check for the triple digit number. So, you'll be wondering whether it will work only for double digit or triple digit or even 4-digit number. It works for everything. So, now I'm going to focus on triple digit number. So, which is 126 square, right? So, I'm just focusing on the number which is ending with 6. So, I have to take the predecessor. predecessor of it is 125 square. So 125 square, you know, it is 25, and 12 into 13, I'll be getting 156, right? So you're just wondering how I'm quickly solving 125 square. Please check part 2 video for finding squares of number ending with 5. So now what I'm supposed to do, I have to add the predecessor and the exact number. I'll be getting 251, right? So when I add it, so the final answer 15871, sorry, 876. So here, now what I'm supposed to do, so this is my answer for 126 square. So this is my answer. Now let us check another example of triple digit number, so which is 236 square. So when I take 236 square, first I have to take the predecessor square, 235 square, which is nothing but 55225. And what I'm supposed to do, I have to add 235 plus 236. What am I getting? 471, right? So this is what I'll be getting. I have to add it. So that is my final answer, which is 5, 5, 6, 9 and 6. So this is the answer for 236 square, right? So this is my answer for 236 square. Yeah. So this is a simple trick to solve the squares of number ending with 6. Now let us go to the numbers that is ending with 4. So for ending with 4, it is the similar step, right? So you'll be getting the similar step as ending with 6. Now, same way, what you're supposed to do is, so let us take an example or take any sum. So now the sum is nothing but 24 square. Now let us start with a simple example. 24 square, what am I supposed to do for this? I'm taking the successor. Why I'm taking the successor? Because 25 square, you'll be able to find it easily. So I'm taking the successor. Here in 6, ending with 6, I have taken the predecessor. So for ending with 5, 24 successor is 25. I have to take the square of the successor. Okay, so which is nothing but 25 square, which is nothing but 625, right? Now, same way, I have to add the number and the successor. So, which is 25 plus 24, which is equal to 49. So, here there's a catch. So, you have to subtract it, right? Right? You have to subtract the final answer to get your 24 square. So, when I subtract 625 and 49, I'll be getting 576. So here, when you compare ending with 6 and ending with 4, in ending with 4, you have to take the successor, square it, add the number and the successor and subtract it. In the previous ending with 6, what am I supposed to do? I have to simply take the number, predecessor, square it, then add the successor, and the number and the predecessor, and finally add it. Okay, so now what am I supposed to do? Let me give you another example. So another example, let me give the bigger digit number. I mean triple digit number itself. So which I'll be getting it as. So I have to take the successor 115 square. For 115 square, you will be getting 13225, right? Then I have to add 114 plus 115. So 114 plus 115, I'll be getting it as 2, 2 and 9, right? So now I am going to subtract it. So when I subtract it, I'll be getting 12996. So this is my final answer for 114 square. Okay, so this, I hope you got it. I'm just quickly telling the ending of 4 because I have clearly explained ending of 6. You'll be able to cope with it, right? So now just let's solve one more example of double digit, and let me give you working out sums. So which is 79 square. So 79 square, what am I supposed to do? I have to take the successor of it. So successor of it is nothing but, 79 square can't come because we're ending with 4. So 74 square, successor of it is 75 square, which is nothing but 5625. Then I have to add 74 and 75, successor and the exact number. I will be getting 149. So now simply I have to subtract it. When I subtract it, I'll be getting 476. So you know the numbers ending with 4, the square numbers will be ending with 6, right? So this is your answer. So let me give you a homework, or what, you can try it and just comment below. Just try for 246 square, I mean 204 square, and try for 206 square. Just tell me and comment below. Yeah, I hope you like the video. Thank you and have a nice day.